Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Hydroponic Flowers quest from NPC Oliver in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, the Call of Fields event, and then in here you can receive the new quest, the Hydroponic Flower quest from Oliver. And to complete it, it's very easy. First, just go meet the Oliver, just tracking him, and then just meet him. And then just talk to him like this, and then just tap on the hydroponic flowers, this one, and then just tap on leave it to me. And then in here you need to talk to Blanc, so just go meet Blanc at the camp. Just go meet Blanc, this one, at the camp, and then talk to him like this, and then just tap on hydroponic flowers, this one. And just like that. And in here you need to purchase the Daffodil Seeds at Blanc's gardening store. Just purchase the Daffodil Seeds, this one. There are 3 colors: red, yellow, and white. So just buy all this flower, this seed flower. In here I want to buy 10 seeds. It's color like this, and then next you just need to plant daffodils. You just need plant the daffodil at your home, and then next just take your daffodil seeds and plant them like this. For example, like this. I think the appearance is so cute like this. And then just wait until it fully grow, and then it will mature at tomorrow afternoon. So it will take maybe 1 day like that to grow, and then after it fully grow you can just harvest daffodils and the quest will be complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.